Three steps to go from losing trades to winning trades. How do we do this? If you are trading a strategy that you just made up on your own, you're using random indicators and using pieces from here and there, and you have a Frankenstein strategy, you don't know what you're doing. Let's be honest. If that hurts to me telling you that, if you're hurt in any way, if you're annoyed in any way, that means what I'm saying is real. You have no idea what you're doing. Take a step back, look for a mechanical strategy that you can follow, and after you've done that, then you can come back to this video and I tell you exactly what to do. Right now, you're unprofitable because you have no idea what you're doing. I have a strategy. I have a mentorship. I live stream Monday through Friday. Come my way. I'll take care of you. I promise. You don't have to do this whole boom and bust thing for the rest of your life. I have everything you need. Okay, so let's get into it. Three steps from losing trades to winning trades. If you have a strategy and if you're profitable, you struggle, this is what you got to do. Quality over quantity. You already know this. We need to stick to only A plus setups and nothing else at all. No A minus, no B plus, no A plus plus plus. Just one model, one setup, and nothing else. We're going to focus on the outcome. And by outcome, I mean the outcome of us finding it, looking at it, drawing it out, and pressing the trade button, and that is it. We focus on nothing else. The expectation to win, the outcome to win, we do not want to think about. And let me show you exactly why. It's called expectations. If you put a banana in a cage and you give that cage with the banana in it to the monkey is going to think that this banana is going to be his. There's no other thoughts in his head. He's going to get this banana. He's hungry. He's starving. He wants this banana. He's going to win this banana. You are the same type of person when you're doing the exact same thing behind those screens. I'm going to win this trade. I am so worried about and have so many expectations about making money and winning this trade or passing an account and so on. Whatever you're looking for. An instant gratification dopamine hit. Okay, so we understand quality over quantity. We need to focus on the A plus setup and not the outcome of money, of the win, but we want to focus on the outcome of us performing. I'm always expecting us to find the A plus setup. I'm always expecting us to perform and execute. And what I like to do as a habit, I like to say, I'm expecting this trade to be a loss because we're playing a game of probabilities. Okay, so last but not least, the most common sense answer, we need to review and adjust with data, not emotions. What does that mean? If you don't understand what this means, that more than likely means that you don't know what you're doing in this market. You need to journal all the time. I even in my course, I tell you how to set up this free journal and I make you submit these back tests so I can make sure we can go over your data and I can tell you what you need to do exactly. You should be able to do the same for yourself. It's so easy. If you have data on a strategy that you are trading and you are profitable with, look at all your data. And hey, do I need to cut down to 3 trades? Do I need to cut down to 2 trades? Do I only need to do 1 trade a week? Look at all your data and make a decision. It's not that hard. A easy, quick tip I can give you. Let's look at the first trade throughout the entire month and all those trades. Let's see what our P&L total is. We can do the same thing with our first 3 trades, and you can quickly find out that you perform so much better at an X amount of trades. So with me, I'm looking at all my data. I typically always win my first trade. Why am I going to continue showing up in the gambling in this market when I'm consistently profitable with my first trade? So recently I just cut down to trading 1 session, 1 trade, and I love it. I feel like I just enjoy trading once again. And that was a decision made with data and not emotions. If I can do it, you can do it too. Sorry, I was choking up a bit. It's a lot of talking. But that's basically it. And if you are still booming and busting, you just need to take a step back. That's all it is. Be an adult. Take care of your mind. Take care of your mindset. If you don't love yourself, if you don't love others as much as you should be, this should be telling. If you lack empathy, if you're a narcissist, if you're super depressed, sleep early, wake up early, start exercising. It's always a good start. Build habits. Look up videos on how to adjust for addictions. You more than likely have a lots of instant gratification addictions in your life right now if you are struggling. If you are an adult, you have none of these mental issues, you're doing really well in life right now, you will 1000% more than likely be profitable within hours. You'll be really good because you're an adult. Typically, parents who come into my program, parents are the ones who show up and get results almost immediately because they know what it takes and they know what it means to show up. All right, that is it. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. All right, TTYL.